that we went through was in the Marinol Ecological Sanctuary. There are a lot of things that we saw there. One of these is the bell. We also saw cave, the planet Earth, dinosaurs, some mammals, birds, primates bone, hanging bridge, and others. We went also at the Philippine Military Academy. We witnessed the PMA students, or the PMAers, and how they are founded of self-discipline and perseverance. The campus is well organized by their respective officers, of course. In the Tamawang village, we have seen Bahay Kubo, hanging bridge, antique paintings, and some artists. We went also in the strawberry farm. In the Bell Church, I saw how they give importance to the church, how they maintain the figure of the place. Very nice experience I have.